Jymed was founded in 2009. The company is engaged in R&D, manufacture, and sales of synthetic peptides, peptides, peptide drug conjugates, and highly active intermediates. It is the largest pharmaceutical innovation enterprise of its kind in China. The business is also highly specialized and powered by leading technologies. The 6,000 square meters research and development platform of Jymed is home to the Guangdong Synthetic Peptide and Innovative Drug Engineering Research Center. Its core scientific research team has been dedicated to fostering advanced R&D and manufacturing of peptides for more than 20 years, filed over 100 domestic and foreign patent applications, and registered a variety of products with pharmaceutical regulatory agencies in China, the United States, and Europe. Jymed has production lines of various scales and at different OEB levels that can meet the needs of different production capacities ranging from grams to hundreds of kilograms, as well as the production needs of OEB 5-level products. Pharmaceutical companies, cosmetics enterprise, universities, scientific research institutes, biotechnology companies, and food and agriculture production enterprises in China and abroad are benefiting from these services. Better peptide, better life.